This is really nice.
Howdy.
Howdy. So what I wanted to say is, today I'm making pumpkin cookies and I'm going to show you how to turn any kinds of cookies into pumpkin faces. So I got this pumpkin, I cleaned it from the seeds and then I baked it. It's ready to use for a cookie dough. Nice and soft, and it's gonna be easy to mix with the other parts. You're gonna need some melted butter and 1 egg, whatever vanilla you have at home. Add the pumpkin and the powdered sugar. Try to add the flour better than I did. Don't forget the baking powder. And mix it together. You can leave this part, but I add some food color to it to be more pumpkinish. Don't forget the white chocolate. After it's all mixed, you should leave it for an hour in the fridge. Try to scoop the cookie dough onto a baking sheet. And then bake it 160 Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit, about 12 minutes. If you like this, hit subscribe, it's free, but give me some love. Finally, here are the ready cookies. Cut some cartoon paper eyes and lips out. And this is where the magic happens. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your spooky cookies. Or your spookies. Happy Halloween.
Halloween, maybe.
Happy Halloween.